Hi everyone, my name is Matilda and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how to do my natural radiant makeup look. I love this for every day, but also this is my go-to look for castings as well because my skin still looks like skin but just slightly more put together. So as you will see, my natural skin looks very dull, dry, and you can see a lot of redness from my blemishes, pigmentation and capillaries. So my main goal is to brighten it up a whole lot and spot conceal any blemishes without the skin being too cakey. I'm starting out with a hydrating primer, but you could also use a moisturiser, and I'm just using this to correct my dry skin texture. To start bringing on that glow, I'm using some Strobe Creame, and this also helps really cool my face and reduce some of that dry feeling. For foundation, I'm using my two favourite light coverage formulas that are also used by almost every professional makeup artist I've worked with for that glowy base. I'm mixing these two together because the Mercier is a bit more coverage, but the MAC is a better match for my skin tone, and I just like how the formulas look together as well. I'm applying this foundation mixture with my hands because I find that this gives the most natural skin-like finish. I'm then applying concealer where I usually highlight and on any noticeable blemishes. I'm not doing a shade too much lighter than my foundation because I don't want it to be a super noticeable highlight, but just enough to brighten it up a bit. For my blemishes, I'm tapping the concealer out with my finger because I find that that's the best way to blend while still keeping the coverage. I'm then quickly setting that concealer down with some powder. The key with powdering to ensure a dewy finish is to only powder in those areas that get shiny in an unflattering way. So for me, that's the middle of my forehead, under my eyes, chin and nose. And of course, I'm powdering on my blemishes as well to ensure that that doesn't fade throughout the day. I'm then bronzing with a shimmery bronzer because this will better complement the dewy glowy skin than a matte contour. Similarly, I'm using a shimmery blush and applying that to the apples of my cheeks and back up to my cheekbone. For my highlight, I'm taking one that is more of a sheen rather than a glitter and is also a shade that isn't too much lighter than my skin because this will look more natural. For my eyes, I'm taking a mid-tone matte brown and quickly blending that all over the lid and crease with a fluffy brush. And then I'm putting that on my lower lash line with a smudging brush as well. Because my lashes are so lame, I like to define them a bit with a dark matte brown to help them appear a bit thicker. To finish off the eyes, I'm applying some of the highlighter to the inner corner and also putting on some mascara. I'm then lightly filling in my brows with some brow powder and brushing them up with some brow gel to create that natural fluffy brow. To finish off the look, I'm taking a natural pinky peach gloss, and that is the finished look. I hope this video was helpful for you guys if you were looking for a natural no makeup type look for your makeup routine. I love the way my skin looks especially and would definitely recommend that foundation combo. Thank you so much as always for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and you want to see some more videos from me, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye!